So I come downstairs and my youngest kid is making scrambled eggs. Have a look.
Huh?
He's only 9. He's a smart kid. So I decided to leave over for a second and take a walk. As you can tell, it's pretty exhausting.
I can't stay.
On my way back now. Apparently, I broke the tripod.
Commissioner!
Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you all soon. Oh yeah, don't forget to hit that like button or the subscribe button too. See ya. Bye.